Hey everybody, welcome to AtlasRFIDstore.com, and this is going to be a quick video about the basic components of an RFID hardware system. There are four main components I want to talk about. The first is the RFID reader. Now that's the brains of your hardware system. That's what is going to communicate with your computer or with your back-end system. So the reader needs to be connected to the antenna, which is the actual RF hardware. It's what allows you to transmit radio frequency information. That has to be connected by a cable to the antenna, which then communicates to the fourth part, which is the tag. Now, this video is going to focus on UHF RFID tags. There are three main components I'd like to focus on pertaining to UHF RFID tags. The first is the integrated circuit of your RFID tag. Now, that's the brains of your tag. That's where all the information is saved, and the main thing that differentiates one IC, one integrated circuit, from another is the memory size. What capacity does that chip have to store and save unique information? If you need to save a lot of unique information on the tag, then you're going to need a more expensive, more powerful IC. The second component is the antenna that's actually a part of the tag. And in general, a bigger antenna is going to allow for a bigger read range. The second thing is just a awareness, a FYI factor, which is two components, two environmental settings that can cause problems for UHF RFID. And those are metal and water. High metal settings and high water environments can cause interference or dampening of RF waves that can affect your read ranges and your read ability. Can you read the tag or not? And the third thing is the encasement. That's the green here, and that could take a multitude of different form factors. The most basic is just your inlay, and that's as simple as you can get with just an IC and the antenna. And this is a good example of just an inlay. The second is you can take that inlay and you can put a face on it, and you can print on it and make a label. These are not much more durable than inlays. They just have a face that a human could read. The third and the most complicated is the hard tag setting. Now that's where you take the IC and you put it in a plastic or a hard shell that can make it more durable, impact resistant, temperature resistant. Here's some examples. This tag happens to be very temperature resistant. It's the same antenna and IC as in the inlay, not the exact same, but the same components, and just the casing is the only thing that makes it look really different. Another example is this on the ID tag. Super durable, you could hit it with a hammer and it would be fine. Other tags are designed to be embedded in metal, where, like I talked about metal messing with the antenna, some tags have backings that allow them to compensate for that and still be read in high metal or high water environment. That pretty much wraps it up for RFID tag information. Hope you enjoyed the video.